What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are in Somerville. I actually just ran a race in this city. Today we have 55 Bartlett Street. This is a beautiful single family home. 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,500 square feet. Listed by Remax. This is at 1.7. This is under contract already. So stuff still is moving quickly in this market. I'll tell you that. It is moving very quickly, depending on what it is. Team Pratt, Brad and Darleen. There's their contact info. Let's get into it, man. I very much like this. The reason it is at 1.7, if you're from Boston, you know that Somerville is a very hot city. Gotta get my slippers on here. Okay. If you do sell any properties, look up the statistics on staging. If you're ever gonna sell a home, look up staging statistics. I bet you that's one of the reasons why this sold so quickly. Let's show you guys the yard. Hopefully oh, it was open. Hopefully my feet don't get wet. We're not gonna venture very far. It's an enclosed yard, gated. Pretty good if you have any pets. Just make sure that's locked. It is under contract. They did accept an offer. I'm betting they got what they were asking. Very nice appliances. Pretty sure this is a microwave. Yeah, microwave drawer. Got a dishwasher. Viking, I've not seen a Viking branded one. These are nice appliances. Very nice appliances. I'm not gonna show you guys downstairs. It's pretty much a basement. Got a small half bath here, which is better than nothing on this floor. It's pretty convenient, actually. I would have preferred if they had done something different with these stairs, but they didn't, so here we are. Another bedroom here. Well, the first bedroom I'm showing you guys. It's pretty spacious. Sneak out right there. I'm joking. We've got a bathroom here. Very nice. Show you guys the entire bedroom here. It's pretty nice. It's more space than I get. This one's a lot more spacious. They all have pretty good lighting with a few windows. If you are looking around Boston and you haven't been here yet, this is kind of the weather you're gonna see for a bit. probably, it's what, like 9 in the morning, 8 a.m. I'll get you guys the main room. Can't call it a master anymore. The primary bedroom. There it is. Very nice bathroom. I like the skylight. Did not notice that before. Okay. I'm just gonna throw this clip in there, but here is a video of the walk-in closet for the master bedroom. That'll be it for today's video, guys. Let me know if there's anything at all that I could do for you. Repping the brand, baby. Yeah, if you guys could please like, subscribe, show all the love you can, man. I'm doing my best out here. I'll show love to you guys as well. Whatever you need, just reach out to me. Reach out to me if you need anything at all, and I'll make it happen. All right. If you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, thanks for your 5 minutes.